Question number 10. They are asking us to find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are given, taken in order. The first A is going to be 3, 0, B is going to be 4, 5, C is going to be minus 1, 4, and D is going to be minus 2, minus 1. They are asking us to find the area of rhombus. You know that area of rhombus is given by half into product of its diagonals. The diagonals of a rhombus are D1 and D2. The first diagonal is AC and the second diagonal is BD. I have named them for you to see. This diagram I have drawn only for your understanding. It is not necessary from exam point of view. It is up to you to draw. Now, we have to find the length of D1, we have to find the length of D2, and if you can substitute there, then we can find the answer. You know that the distance formula is x2 minus x1 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1 the whole squared. Using this, we are going to find the distance of D1 and D2. Now, D1 is equal to square root of, when you take D1, you are going to consider A and C. So this is going to be your x1, y1, and this is going to be your x2, y2. So x2 is going to be minus 1 minus 3 the whole squared plus y2 minus y1. This is your y2. So 4 minus 0 the whole square, which is nothing but square root of minus 4 the whole square plus 4 the whole square. That is going to be root of 16 plus 16. That is nothing but root of 16 into 2. So it is going to be 4 root 2 units. Next we are going to find D2. D2 is equal to, for D2 we are going to consider the diagonal BD. This is your x1, y1, this is your x2, y2. So x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is going to be root of minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 square. So that is going to be root of 36 plus 36, which is root of 36 into 2. That is nothing but 6 root 2 units. Now we have found the measurement of D1 and D2. The formula is area of rhombus is equal to half into product of the diagonals, that is D1 into D2. I am going to substitute the values there. When I substitute the values, I am going to have 1 by 2 into your D1 value. D1 value is 4 root 2 into your D2 value, that is 6 root 2. 4 into 6 is 24, root 2 into root 2 is 2. So we are going to have 24 into 2 divided by 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So the area is 24. Now, the area is equal to 24 square units.